Hi everyone, this is Amar again. How's it going? In my video today, I will be talking about communication. What are the many different ways that elephants communicate with each other? Most intelligent social animals, such as elephants, have a strong system of communication that makes use of all their senses, hearing, smell, vision, and touch, and a really cool ability to detect vibrations. Elephants can communicate by rubbing their bodies against one another, which is on one end of the spectrum. At the other end of the spectrum, they may respond by moving towards the sound of other elephants, calling perhaps as far as 10 kilometers away. So let's talk about the different ways elephants communicate. One way they communicate with each other is through acoustic communication. Elephants are known to communicate through infrasound, which is making low-frequency sounds, rumble, that humans aren't able to hear. Human ears able to hear sounds in the range from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. However, elephants can also emit sounds in the range of 14 to 24 Hz at a volume of between 85 and 90 decibels. This noise level is significantly louder than what human conversations can generate, namely around 65 decibels. Some of the sounds produced by elephants can go as loud as 120 decibels. Oftentimes, when elephants communicate using low-frequency sounds, this usually shows a sign of calling for help to one another. Now let's talk about how elephants communicate visually. Elephants use their heads, eyes, mouths, ears, tusks, trunk, tail, feet, well basically their whole body to signal other elephants and different species. An elephant that is socially excited will rapidly lift and flap its ears while widening its eyes. A threatening or dominant elephant would signal by appearing larger, carrying her head high above her shoulders and widening her ears. An elephant that's frightened would raise its tail or chin. These are some ways they communicate visually. Now, let's talk about seismic communication. Seismic communication is one of the more fascinating ways that elephants communicate. Seismic communication is communication through vibration. It is known that insects have been able to communicate through this technique for a very long time, but only recently has it been discovered in elephants. It is usually transmitted between 10 and 40 Hz, in the same range as the fundamental frequency and second harmonic of an elephant rumble. It has been shown that whenever an elephant rumbles, a replica of the airborne sound is also transmitted through the ground. That is super cool. There are 3 different areas of the elephants that are sensitive to vibration, which is the trunk, toes, and heel. The tip of an elephant's trunk has layers of cells called Pacinian corpuscles that are extremely sensitive to vibrations and are thought to be able to detect movement. Pacinian corpuscles have also been found in the elephant's foot, concentrated in the front and back toes and heel area, dermal layer. Movements of vibration alter the layer of Pacinian corpuscles, sending a signal to the brain. Pretty interesting that they can hear sound vibrating through their feet. Now let's talk about tactile communication. Like humans, elephants are highly tactile animals. They purposefully touch one another using their entire body, including their trunk, ears, tail, and feet. This type of interaction occurs during a broad range of contexts, including aggressive, playful, caretaking, and exploratory behavior. An elephant's trunk may be used for a lot of things, such as assisting the calf, exploring the mouth or temporal glands of a family member. They also use it to explore the body of a dead elephant. Their trunks and other parts of their body is what really comes in handy for them to function well. So there you have it. Elephants communicate in so many different effective ways. They are pretty advanced and complex. It only makes sense that their communication skills are also highly evolved. I hope you enjoyed this brief glimpse into the complexity and variety of elephant communication. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more pachyderm particulars. Check back soon for more topics. Thanks for watching. Peace out.